The fifth fundamental principle of conscious manifestation says, just convey the dreams and desires from the conscious mind to the subconscious mind. This has been termed as training the subconscious or reprogramming the subconscious also. As we know, we have two types of brains. One is the conscious brain and the other is the subconscious brain. You will be surprised to find that almost 95% activities of our life are governed by the subconscious brain. The thoughts you think and the images you hold repeatedly in your mind becomes the programming of the subconscious mind. During our sleep, the conscious brain becomes inactive or dormant, but the subconscious brain is active 24/7. It is always on duty, it is always in your service, just because it controls the most vital functions and processes of your body, like the digestion, like the blood circulation, like the respiratory system, and many others. Your subconscious brain has got answers to all the problems of your life. In fact, the subconscious mind has immense powers to transform all your dreams and desires into reality if you can communicate the same from the conscious to the subconscious mind. Now the question arises as to how to communicate the dreams and desires from the conscious mind to the subconscious mind. I am going to offer you two devices. The first is the Diamond Diary device and the second is Siddha Kamana Kriya. If you practice both these devices, you can make even the impossible possible. I have devised Diamond Diary as a powerful tool for the manifestation of your dreams and desires. You have to apply this device every morning immediately after getting up for 10 minutes and every night 10 minutes before going to sleep. Both these times, your body and mind both are in a very relaxed state. You become in a very relaxed receiving mode, and these are the important moments when the tunnel of your subconscious mind is open to receive anything to be communicated to it through this conscious mind. In fact, during these times, you are in an alpha state of mind when your subconscious is ready to receive anything to be communicated to it by the conscious mind. So you should utilize this valuable moment for conveying the dreams and desires from the conscious to the subconscious mind. Therefore, immediately after you wake up, you take up the Diamond Diary and on the first page, start writing what you want to achieve. You have to write every day on the first page. By constantly writing about what you want to achieve, you will manage to fulfill two important requirements of manifestation. First, your demands will become crystal clear, they will become specific, and it will become ready for manifestation. Secondly, by continuously writing about what you want to achieve, your focus will remain on what you want to achieve. And the science of mind power says, you get what you think about or focus upon, whether you want it or you don't want it. In this way, if you write immediately after getting up as to what you want to achieve, it will expedite the manifestation of your dreams and desires. Secondly, on the second page of the Diamond Diary, you have to write, I am thankful for. You have to express your gratefulness. So, whatever comes to your mind about the beautiful things which the existence has given you, you have to express your heartfelt gratitude. So, spontaneously start writing the feelings and emotions of gratefulness, they should come from the depth of your heart. Once you become filled with an attitude of gratitude, the manifestation of your dreams and desires is expedited. And then on the third page, you have to write 5 positive affirmations of your choice every day. These positive affirmations will reach directly to your subconscious mind if you write it early morning immediately after getting up within 10 minutes. And this will expedite the manifestation of your affirmations instantly. The manifestation of your dreams and desires will be expedited if you apply the Diamond Diary device in the night hours while going to sleep also, just because at that time also you are in the alpha state of mind. Therefore, while going to bed, just 10 minutes before going to sleep, you take up the Diamond Diary and start reading out what you have written in the morning. You have to read out all the 3 pages before going to sleep. The page number 1, what you want to achieve. Page number 2, what you feel thankful for. And the page number 3, the positive affirmations of your own choice. All these 3 will sink deeper into subconscious, and the subconscious will ultimately manifest them into reality. Please do apply this Diamond Diary device for about 90 days and you will experience miracles happening in your life. I want to tell you that a continuous repetition is also a powerful device of manifestation.